Hello and thanks for joining in. I'm Anna Hellman and I'm really glad that you are here with me today. Today I want to share with you 8 really simple cards made with 3 basic products. And the product that I'm really highlighting today are these Dandy Garden laser cut die cuts right here. And there are so many more in the set that I'm going to show you here as we go along. But these are just absolutely beautiful pieces that I think it's really easy to look over in our January through June mini catalog. Now, along with these laser cut pieces, I'm going to use the Peaceful Moment stamp set and our Hydrangea Hill Designer Papers, along with a few cardstocks and inks to make some really beautiful cards that come together very quickly. So first I want to show you just a very basic card that we can make with these products. And with this one, I'm actually just going to use the Dandy Garden, the Dandy laser cut papers, along with just some cardstock and some ink. And I want to show you how I attach these to my cardstock, because you can use special tricks. You can use a really nice trick with our multi-purpose glue and a sponge to sponge the back side of this. But to show you exactly how I attach these pieces, I just find the spots on them that are a little bit wider, and I put a little bit of that glue on. Lay down one piece. You want to be really careful not to shift it, and then just drop it and let it sit. Now, with these little dragonflies or damselflies, I am just going to put it on their bodies. Whichever part is the thickest part is the part I like to put the glue on. Now, on some of them, there isn't really one particular part that's thicker than the rest, and when that's the case, I just pick some little spots and I dab little tiny drops of glue across the entire piece. Little tiny dabs of glue. If you do little bits, they will not ooze out from behind and cause your project to be sticky. But I really like to use this glue in particular because it is so sticky that even when you have those little dabs, it is enough that is going to hold your pieces in place. So I've got those in place. Now I'm going to use one of the sentiments from the Peaceful Moment stamp set and stamp it right here in the center. So this card in particular is obviously very simple. I just use those die cuts and a sentiment, and it comes together nicely. Now, I think with all of these cards, they would look really nice with a few little embellishments added, but I wanted to show you just how quick and easy they can be without any embellishments. So let me pull in the other ones that I've created. And keep in mind, I just used those 3 products, the laser cut papers, the Peaceful Moment stamp set, and the Hydrangea Hill Designer Papers for these, along with some basic cardstocks and inks. So here's one. I use those laser cuts on the sides, stamped a greeting in the center. This one I really like. This circle piece right here was actually the inside of this circle piece right here. And I thought, well, hey, that's the perfect shape to stamp with a sentiment and use that on my card as well. So I used that along with the dragonflies. Here is a very basic one with the basic print from the designer paper pack. I added the 2 laser cut flowers and a sentiment down here at the bottom. This stamp set is a really nice one that I have used so many times because of the basic greetings, and I really like the size and shape of them. They work well with circles. Here's one. I decided to bring in a little bit different color on this one since I wasn't using that designer paper pack, but I just used that overlay in the background with another one of those circle pieces. Here is another one of the large overlays with that leaf pattern. I thought that would look nice with the mossy meadow color in the background. Just a little sentiment down here and one of my scraps of cardstock that I keep. And then here are 2. I think these last 2 are my favorites. This is my favorite print from the Hydrangea Hill Designer Paper Pack. This label piece came in the laser cut paper pack, so I stamped it with the sentiment, added a couple of the dragonflies, and I think that is just beautiful. Really quick, really easy, but very beautiful. And another favorite here, I used the pink floral print in the background with this floral die cut piece in the front and a little sentiment. So I hope this highlights the dandy laser cut papers because, like I said, I think it's really easy to overlook those in the catalogs, but you can really do a lot with them, especially when you pair them with a couple of other really nice basic products. You can find links to the products that I've used today down in the video description below. While you're there, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment on, and share away. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again next time.